Scanner class is present in which package? Java.util package. You already know when we need to use import statements, right? As of now, we have seen only int, how to accept integer data. That's it. Tomorrow we'll be trying to see more information about this scanner class. Check it and tell me. Manishka, check and tell me. Did you check? Tomorrow tell me. Okay. Online students, I requested you to attend the class through laptop. So please make that happen. Max, it will be done. Maximum, it will be done. Yes, Saiteja, yes. Guys, I mean, some people are asking me, sir, when core Java will be completed? How many days I promise you? 50 to 55 days, right? So please ask me the same question after completing 50 to 55 days. If 55 days of working days got completed, then ask me, sir, still how many days it is going to take? Okay. Right. All right, guys. I hope it's completed. Is it done? Wait for it, Manoj. Wait for it. Wait for it. Actually, we need to close it. Wait for it. I'll discuss that in our tomorrow's session. Okay. Not right now. It's a resource, right, Manoj? If it is a resource, we need to close it. For example, sc.close. That's it. See? Gone. Anyways, I'll discuss that in our tomorrow's class. All right. Is it done? All right, guys, that's it. That's it for today. That's it for today. So tomorrow also we'll be trying to discuss about scanner classes. I mean, some methods are there in scanner class. And after that, guys, most probably we will be starting our oops features either next week ending or else after that week. Today is Wednesday, right? Wednesday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or else next week ending or coming week, we are going to start oops features. Why I'm saying this? Because a lot of people are interested in oops. I know that. I know you guys are interested in oops, but the thing is, without having a proper foundation, we should not be going to oops. So that is the reason I'm just trying to give you more concepts on this foundation. Once we entered into the oops, if you're not having a proper foundation for these basics, it will be a trouble. Am I clear with this? Oops is going to take 1 week of time. Most probably, I'm going to start oops features maybe 16th I mean, in this week, not next week, 99.9%, not next week, in this, I mean, midweek, 16th to 21, at any day, I may start oops. For example, if I started